And last but not least, these little things, these little jokers, they're just tiny little clips that you can, I think they're called bulldog clips. You can buy them in packs. I think they're about 10 or 15 pence a piece. I use them for fiddly jobs. If I'm trying to square, say I want to square that edge up and I want to get it in line, and I'm struggling to be able to grab the tape and get it on while it's moving around, what I tend to use is a square one corner up, stick on a clip, square the other corner up, so it's nice and in line. Just pull the clip down a bit, there you go, and then you can just jock it around a bit just to make sure it's absolutely perfect. Grab whatever the tape is you're trying to use, and there you go. It's nice and square. Pennies, saves you a heck of a lot of time. Got a nice tough seal. It's great stuff, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll be doing more videos about what I've made and how I make it. If you enjoyed it, you found it, well, I don't know about enjoy, but if you found it interesting, please give it a like, and look back at my channel for some more YouTube videos on making things with gaffer tape.